We have the entire yard prepped and ready. We've been planning this for 9 months. The installers are here. Let's see this happen. When it comes to the install, I've done a lot of research and Tough Shed does everything for me. So they're gonna bring in all the parts, they're gonna park in the driveway and carry all the pieces in so my yard won't be driven in. And once it's fully in place, they'll put a full coat of paint on the entire shed so it looks fresh and new before they leave. While I was on the configurator on the Tough Shed website, I found that they have the exact same colors as our house. So I was able to make the shed walls the same color as our house siding, the roof the same color as our roof, the trim, the doors, everything is gonna match our house perfectly, which works out really well because it's right beside it. Instead of having one big open shed, we decided to put a partition wall down the middle. So basically I'm getting 2 sheds instead of 1. So the value of having 2 sheds in one is amazing. So on the potting shed side, I really wanted to include as much light as I possibly could get in there. So we added the full light door on the front, 2 skylights in the roof, and 3 windows going all around. That way we could just bring in every bit of light and warmth in the summer. On the storage side, we added the keyless entry because I'm notorious for locking myself in and out of places. So now we can just type in a code and the door is always gonna unlock whether I have the key or not. Also, since Tough Shed offers pegboards, I love using pegboards for organization, and I was able to play around and see how pegboards would look on each wall and decide which section was gonna be the best for it. Because my Tough Shed is made from such quality pieces, I know that it's a sustainable purchase for me and I'm never gonna have to buy another one again. Unless I get a few more hobbies and I need more room.
Thank you.